When production costs outpace revenue, you need a sound risk management strategy. Today, you can protect your profits against an unexpected increase in production costs or a revenue drop by enhancing your coverage with margin protection. Margin protection, or MP, is the only product that protects your profits by locking in a margin guarantee. MP is a highly subsidized, area-based policy that complements your traditional multi-peril crop insurance policy. It's a great choice for farmers whose yields are consistently in line with county yields. Margin is calculated as revenue minus costs. It guarantees against a drop in revenue and/or an increase in costs. That's your margin protection guarantee. It's not tied to your actual grain sales, input purchases, or yield on your own operation like a revenue protection policy would be. You get the likelihood of locking in a profit well in advance of planting a crop. Let's walk through an example. On the margin protection policy, you can see the expected county yield and the projected price that was set during an earlier discovery period. We take the expected revenue minus the expected costs, and we come out with our expected margin with a 95% coverage level. The deductible in this example is much lower in comparison to a traditional multi-peril crop insurance policy. To sum it up, margin protection has the smallest federal crop insurance deductible of 5%, which means you have 95% coverage. You have an earlier initial price discovery period from August 15th to September 14th. You get a highly subsidized premium. It can be purchased as a standalone policy or coupled with other coverages like revenue protection or yield protection. And you could receive a premium credit when purchased with an underlying policy such as revenue protection. Historically, for every dollar a farmer has spent, margin protection has returned $2.15 due to the subsidized premium and premium credit options. And now margin protection is expanding to cover more geography. As markets shift and profit margins potentially narrow, a margin protection policy can help you establish a floor price to protect your bottom line. While margin protection may be new to you, it's not to us. We're your margin protection experts and can show you how it can benefit your operation. Contact your local Frontier Farm Credit office or call us at 1-800-397-3191.